Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well. Now today's video is a little bit of a spontaneous video. All I've been told is to set up the camera and it's going to be an unboxing. So it was our first year anniversary on the 7th of April, which was a couple of weeks ago. We decided we weren't going to do presents because we're saving for the wedding. However, Joe has decided that he has got me something. So he's lurking in the hallway, ready to bring me the box. So before we go any further, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, please hit that subscribe button. It shows me that you're enjoying the content. I upload on a Wednesday at 5 PM and also a Sunday at 9 AM. My Instagram is here as well. Please head over, follow me on there. I actually do a lot of polls and ask you guys what sort of videos you want to see. So let's get into the video. Come on in, Joe.
Legs down.
Legs down.
Eyes closed.
Eyes closed. I'm actually really nervous because I feel like not only have I got to open a present, I've got to do it on camera.
You can open.
I've just seen the box. It says Revolution.
Right.
So is it a load of makeup?
Could be.
It's like Christmas. So let's open it. We said no presents. Well, I feel like I'm a famous YouTuber and I've got a PR haul. You take that then.
The box in.
It just says you are the revolution. Yes, I am. I can see an eye palette. I like this wrapping paper, Joe. Did you pick it yourself?
Yes.
Why have you got this? We said no presents.
Sorry.
Ooh! So we've got a palette which is very similar to the one I did a video on, and this is the Forever Flawless Utopia one. And it's very purple by the looks of it, so let's get into it.
Push it.
Yes, probably not. No.
So you've got scissors somewhere.
Do you like the packaging? It's like the other one, but more purple. Look at those colours. Oh, I like some of those blues. Let's do some swatches then. We've got some Nirvana, Promise, and let's do Enchanted. Yes, please. So, Nirvana, really nice purple colour. I'm not sure what this one was. It's a nice blue. I like that blue. And then Utopia. Oh, that'd be really nice in like the inner corner. Got a whipped white coming in. Oh, I like it. Thank you very much. So if you want to see me do a eye look on this one, please let me know. I'll be more than happy to do that. Let's see what else we've got. New Natural Smoked Palette. I like the packaging of this. It's all like leopard printy. Jungle Fever. Oh, do want to keep that this. Look at the packaging. How lush is that? It's all like leopard printy. Open it up. Oh, it's got a good. Yeah. Oh, kids, hang on. There's one just shouting at me. Hang on, hang on. Look, this one here is talking to me, and again I like some of these blues. I think blue's going to be really in, so let's go Amora this summer anyway. Trigger, which is the one talking to me, which is Pressed Glitter, and then let's go Sepia. So Aroma, really nice denim blue, like kind of colour, like that. Trigger is like a Pressed Glitter. Look, I don't know if you can see it very well. And then we've got Sepia, which is a really nice kind of, that could be really nice all over the lid. Oh, some nice new like nudie matte colours in these as well. So you've got this one here, which is like a brown, that looks really nice. These pink ones look really nice. Oh, and it's got a really nice magnetic bit. And then we have another one, which is, doesn't say, oh, so it's from the Forever Flawless range, and this is Optimum. I like the colour of this. This could look nice. See it on my dressing table. I've had it out. Let's get involved in this one then. Oh, Jo, you've done well. Oh, I really like it. Look. How nice is that? Yeah, so this is the Optimum Forever Flawless. I have no idea what this looks like. This one had, I don't know where it's gone, but it had a little picture, so I knew what kind of colours were going to be in it. Ooh, this shouts summer to me. Look at all those colours, how lush are they? I'm loving these two colours together. I think that'd be a really cool eye look. These peachy colours are really nice. These two colours are lovely. This could be a nice play around for wedding makeup. Oh, right. Let's have a look at Own and Choice, because I like the look of those. Nice. And then we've got Fighter and Advantage. Car. That's a killer look there in the making. And then, let's try this Maximum, because this looks like a really nice navy. Yes. Look at that navy colour. I don't know how well you can see it on the camera, but well, I've just seen one called Outstanding, and they are outstanding. Well done, Jo. Thank you very much.
Very welcome. Happy anniversary. Even though it's last week.
How exciting. I've got some more palettes. Now, I've got quite a few palettes now. I've got a bit of a collection. I actually did a makeup collection video. I'll link it above here or down there, so you can go and have a look at those. So I've got a lot of palettes. If you guys do want a makeup look, please let me know. However, I'm not very good at doing them because I've only got a vlogging camera and it's hard to get the right angle, but I will try if you really want me to. So yeah, I've got my 3 new palettes, which is very, very exciting. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little spontaneous unboxing. If you did enjoy it, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up, whatever it's called. Hit subscribe and join the little family of Huns. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Speak to you soon. Bye.